how to find your Wi-Fi password if you forgot on Windows 10 or 11 PC is a tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password if you forget on Windows 10 or 11 PC. So first of all, you need to open the Windows tab from here, and then you have to click on settings. And after opening the settings, you just have to simply click on network and internet from here. And after that you have to click on the Wi-Fi, and then you have to click on the manage known networks, and you just have to click the Wi-Fi password you want to know. So I'll just click on this one, and after that you have to minimize the properties and click on the advanced Wi-Fi network properties. And after you click on edit, you can see a security option here. You just have to simply click on here. This is the password. So to show the password, you just have to click on show characters, and as you can see, this is the password of this Wi-Fi connection. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.